that is Sticking No Rules, and I felt like making a video right now. So I'm just gonna make one right now. Yeah, later today I'm gonna go to ASU and do a swim thing at ASU. Wow. And also, popular emeralds, just to warn you about some things, like on the new, what's that one called? What's that new video that what's that guy called? Mango? No. I forget. But, what is it? Marionette, yeah. So he just made a new Marionette video. I looked at it, and so he just made a video. And if he has a dot at the end of it, that means he's a fake Popular Mouse. Just to warn you about that. And so today I felt like making another vlog. So like it. So that's all I wanted to talk about right now. Last video I made was Yankee game shirt, but felt like making one because I haven't made one in a while. This one's I just felt like making a video. Here's my dog. Rexy, come here. Rexy, come here. So cute. Hi, bud. Yeah, you got a shake. Yeah, dog. He's a nice dog. He's a German Shepherd. Found him on the highway. So yeah, I'll make another video later. Bye. I think so. Bye. I think so.